Hey guys, it's Steven with My Tool Review. Today I'm going over 3 EDC knives offered by Klein Tools. This is part of their outdoors line. And so they offer these 3 models. The one on the left is their drop point blade. The middle is their tanto. And the right is going to be the clip point blade. They offer these in 4 different colors, from black, green, orange, and sand. Sand is more of a tan color. And I wanted to get into these a little bit, so let's go over it. All 3 of them have a cross lock bar right here. It has an ambidextrous clip point, so you can put it on either side, and this is also for deep carry. It has a lanyard hole on the back if you want to carry it with a lanyard, and obviously the 3 different styles of blades that they offer. So let's go over the clip point. Let's go over the tanto. Let's go over the drop point. I'll leave a link in the description of all the knives. That way you guys can check them out if you're interested. And if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Take care. Be safe out there.